and fellow Kenyans, I want to state from the outset that I will endeavor to lead the DCI in the most professional manner and adhere to the supreme law of the land, the Constitution of Kenya. We shall also endeavor to respect human rights while being firm and fair as we stick to the mandate given to the Directorate. We shall try as much as possible to work together in harmony in the spirit of collaboration with other security agencies such as the EAC, KPS, APS, the NIS, and other actors of the criminal justice system, including the ODPP, the judiciary, and the correctional services, amongst others. I will always be available, and for purposes of records, I would like to declare Honorable CJ my number, which is 0722-415-419, so that any member of the public who feels like reaching out to me can easily reach out to me. I will work hand in hand with all our strategic partners to ensure that we deliver on the mandate of the Directorate.